On
Now,
time.
that's said that, and this problem is noticed during routine class teaching. Then the next step is pinpointing the problem. So now the teacher is pinpointing the problem. So this problem was observed among students of class 9 in the subject mathematics, and among the class a group of 8 to 10 students are showing this problem. And specific issues pinpointed here is the teacher can see a lack of interest in mathematics, and the teacher can see many students are not submitting the homework on time, that is irregular submission, then poor understanding of homework. Now the teacher is analyzing what are the causes for this problem. So the first cause identified here is lack of interest in mathematics. So some students are like they don't have an interest towards mathematics. So that is the one cause for the irregular submission or poor completion of homework. And the second cause is due to homework not understood properly. So some students are not getting what the homework actually is. They are not able to understand what the homework is. So that's why some are not doing homework. And the third cause is no motivation or reinforcement. So if when the students are doing the homework, the teacher is not giving some motivation or reinforcement. So that's why some get demotivated and they are not doing homework. Then the next cause is excessive difficulty level. So the teacher is solving simple problems in class and she is giving some complex problem as homework. So that is one of the reasons that students are not able to complete homework. Then the next cause is lack of parental supervision. One cause is due to that the parents are not taking care of their children's homework. They are not taking initiative to make the students do homework. So that is the reason. Then poor time management. So some students are not able to manage that. So they will be having some extra works to do, like they have to study for some exam, they want to complete the assignment, they have to prepare for seminar. So after the class they want to go to tuition, some are going for dance class. So there is a lack of time management skills. So that's why some are not able to complete homework. Then now the teacher is formulating an action hypothesis. How can we overcome this problem? So if homework is made interesting and properly explained, the regular monitoring and reinforcement are provided, then students will complete mathematics homework regularly. So the hypothesis she formulated is, if I made homeworks interesting, if I am giving some homeworks which can be related to the real life, and if I am explaining a homework properly, after giving an homework, if I am explaining the homework clearly, and if I am monitoring whether the students are doing homework regularly, and if I am giving some reinforcement, if one is doing homework correctly, if I am giving some reinforcement, I can overcome this issue. That is the hypothesis she formulated. Then next is development of design for testing the hypothesis. So now she is preparing a design to implement this in class. So the first one is explain homework clearly in class. So instead of just giving the homework, now what the teacher is doing? She is explaining the homework. She is explaining what all things are given, what you have to find, you can use this method. Likewise, she is explaining the homework. Then next is give simple and interesting problem. So instead of giving some complex question as homework, now the teacher is giving some simple and interesting problem as homework. Then provide examples before assignment. So before giving a problem, she should work out similar kind of problem in class. So that is the next one. Then check homeworks daily. So instead of checking homeworks at some particular time, if the teacher is now checking the homeworks daily and give positive reinforcement. So someone is doing homework correctly. Now what the teacher is doing? She is giving some rewards or she is praising the child in order to motivate them. Then maintain homework record, give feedbacks and corrections. So now the teacher is maintaining a proper homework record and she is giving some positive feedbacks. And if somebody is making some corrections, some mistakes in homework, the teacher is now correcting the student. So these are the design she formed. Then next one is drawing conclusion. So from the implementation of this hypothesis, now the teacher is drawing conclusion. Improvement in homework completion. So now the teacher can see most of the students increased student interest. Now the students are very much interested towards the subject mathematics, better understanding, more regular submission. So we can say the hypothesis